Right everyone, we're on the Taff Trail and we are off. Quite a foggy one today. Me and Brent, he's on his Wolf GTR. Thank you. A lot of walkers out today as well. All parked in the car park where we parked, taking up all the spaces. Ooh. Be careful on them leaves, because oh, I tell you what, when I was going by them I was only going slow and I nearly went. I said to Kelly, typical, it's been, other than that snow, it's been cold and frosty, like it's been dry.
Yeah.
And last night it must have rained because it was soaking outside ours this morning.
I don't know if it's too weird.
In what way?
I don't know. Cars maybe.
What, too low, too high?
Maybe, I don't know whether it's me or it's
You've not been out on it for a while though, have you? Don't like what?
That brake is getting on the nail.
Yeah.
My car was just stuck. I don't know if I got an Allen key for that.
I think I've got one in my bag.
I had it as close as I could get it yesterday, but
Oh, I took the Allen keys out actually because I washed my bag, but I have got some other tools in there. I don't know what's whether it will reach yours.
I may have. I might have to have a look in a bit.
Yeah.
I was hoping it would sort itself out, but it seems to have got worse. What can I do? Don't feel right to me. Yeah, I don't feel right on it. I felt quite confident this morning, but
Maybe you just need to ride it for a minute.
yeah, maybe. I was really wobbly last time we started off, remember?
Right, I'll put my little light
You
on.
remember when we set off last time through the leaves? I was terrible. When I looked at the video,
then after a while you was fine.
when I looked at the video, I thought, you looked a right numpty. But, yeah, maybe it's just that. Yeah, the bars are better to get on and off. I don't know. I just feel it feels a bit alien at the minute.
Yeah, you've not been out on it, have you? So.
Yeah, could be on.
Oh yeah, that is loud, isn't it? Horrible, these leaves. Mega slippery. Is the wheel on straight? Is it definitely the disc?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it looks...
I mean, the wheel will only go on one way, really, won't it?
Yeah, but you can have it slightly out. I watched a video the other day of that tunnel, someone going through it. It goes so far,
right, okay.
and then it opens up, but there's all burnt out cars, a little light hatch thing in it, where you climb out. I can't think what you call them, a hatch.
Alright, okay.
It looks pretty cool in there.
So obviously they blocked it up after all the cars went in.
Used to be an old train line. It showed you pictures of it after.
Was it drier then, or was it
Yeah.
water in there? Does it dry out at all, or...?
I don't know, to be honest. I think the water does go down a little bit.
Yeah. Not sure if it's like spring water and it comes from under the ground. Isn't
Yeah.
It? Could always be a bit, you know, a foot or so in there. Your hands cold?
No, they're alright today.
Mine are freezing.
Mine were last time.
Oh, mine are stinging, they're so cold. Oh, I can hardly
I did it when me and Barry went over that mountain. I had to stop halfway to warm my hands up.
Yeah, I'm struggling a bit at the minute. My hands are stinging, they're so cold.
That was slippery, I saw your back end go.
It wasn't just the scooter back end that went, I can tell you.
So I might stop here a sec.
Yeah, I might have to redeem it.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Yeah, look, definitely easier getting on and off. These would be too low for you now, but it's my scooter.
Yeah.
I might have to have a look at that now.
Look, let me just ride up there a sec and see what it feels like.
It feels a bit strange to me, but it might just be me. It's only in number 2.
Oh, that's alright, I'll leave it in that anyway.
Trying to get used to it.
Ooh, GTR. Oh yeah, they are a bit low. He's lowered the handlebars on it. It's because the step's quite high. Obviously he needs to get, and he's got a bad hip, he needs to get on and off, so yeah, they're a bit too low for me. But it's still still nice. There we are. Da-da-da. Yeah, they're a bit low for me though, them now.
Yeah. Does it feel that much different though?
I don't know. It does. I don't know. It just feels a bit heavy.
Yeah, it does for me.
Yeah.
The
So I don't know
steering
where.
feels heavy.
Obviously, when they're higher, you've got more play. Maybe I don't know.
Right, let me. I'll find, but I'm gonna have to do is brake a bit.
Yeah.
2 seconds. It was better than that, it's got worse. I don't know.